why he doesn't like to, attack with reckless abandon. And you can see that Yo gonna get some value there. He's almost with the resources for his own castle. Got all these converted knights here.
No, 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 no.
And Yo buys a sword for castle. He's gonna be the one to place the castle on this critical hill. 2 more monks here. And yeah, Hera just losing 4 knights to conversions. And then having all of his crossbowmen out of position and nothing protecting them from the skirmishers and the villagers coming forward. That was honestly very sloppy course of events from Hera. Eco upgrades remain identical between the 2 players. Hera is on with the BTCs. It's not like the end of the world Hera. It's like Cav because it's Hera.
Huh?
Clicks up the right. Secondary gold there, so that's gonna be something. Yes, can I help you, Mr. Dog? Gamma warriors are on the way. Whiffs on the shot. Hera backing up again. Remember, he's not in quite yet. He's going to click up in just a second, but
Llama, 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 llama.
Not by an enormous amount, but by a would love to see heavy plow though. More archers on the way. Hera's also at the very end of the front. And here we go. Imp is in. You're gonna try and keep mail armor in as well. You know you love to see it. Ever since they got that 5 HP pile on 1 attack buff, like they have felt super good. You know, like there's some of the infantry unique and some of the like,
NANI?
worst that 𝐀𝐧𝐬𝐬𝐬 champion. Yeah, we're gonna
Mm-hmm.
more HP having one attack. And I guess it loses a lot of going to be relying on his unique unit a lot in this matchup. Keep those castles alive as the game progresses. Also, Hera was able to secure 2 relics. He is the one who's had map control up until around video. Iron casting in. 𝐅𝐮𝐧𝐧𝐲, as well as the last furnace upgrade. That said, chemistry in for Hera, and cannons opposed to buildings.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
Yeah, Stronghold would be pretty great. I'm not even kidding.
Give me 20.
You only think I'm joking. Our White coming in, it is a favorite army composition here for Yo doesn't quite have the numbers just yet, but he's got 28. Yo also needs
What are these creatures, huh?
Huh?
This my baby.
I am?
And ain't nobody finna touch it.
I ain't no baby.
doesn't feel like it as Pajama Sam here is mad. And you can just see that those light captures are not good enough.
Oh, no, no, no.
Wee. Wee.
Remember, the Hellthreads do fire faster. They don't benefit from fire but they do fire faster. Not quite as fast as Top Mass Nori on the way. There's more important.
Campy.
As much as I love me some Mass Nori. Raiders.
Oh, no, no.
And the archers suddenly realize that you have to shoot where the unit is moving, not where the unit is currently located.
Huh?
Oh, look at Stronghold, guys. There we go. It also fills up the nearby infantry units. And 30 HP a minute, it's not bad. Oh. Like have are faster than yours. But they're not that much faster. And look at the castle now forward here we go. It is still faster than your second ball. Oh, there you go, yeah. Yo, himself grabbing chemistry. They're trying to find a nice angle to snipe at least one trebuchet. Right, like Captain Farrah is able to get at least one treb, but I just not of course, the Wood Raiders 25 gold. Well, the one castle didn't work. Let's put another one. 2 tiles. Organ guns coming in and quite effectively. Oh, yes, it was. Yu with that late game advantage. Beautiful light cap movement there from Hera again. He literally does it better than anyone else in the world. Anyway, quick walling against Imperial Age infantry units is not the easiest thing in the world. See, here's now here for you. Replacing those lost refugees. Towards a trash unit.
Huh?
So I'm afraid in 2 hours you'll have to stop watching this game. This is a good one too. It's just the complete momentum shift with that. Very like, okay, this game's won. I'm gonna kill you. And then he didn't kill him. And you can see
You gotta lay it down.
Still such an insane player. This is, again, using these light counters as well as possible. But he's not really doing the sorts of things that I would say you need to do. Positionally, he's working towards hand cannoneers, so he hasn't built up his guns at all. Make the argument once gold runs out, you know, you start. It feels like, again, I know it's trite. Very relative.
No entendí nada.